Hi, this is Chris with Americam. Today I'm going to show you the proper use of beanies. So to start off today, I'm going to show you the two different types of beanies we have here. The first type is the yellow. It is for indoor use. The second type is the white. That is for outdoor use. The difference between the two is the white has a gel filling to prevent corrosion. First thing we need to do is to prep our wires. Strip each of your wires back about 1/2 inch. Then take your wires, line them up, give them a slight twist. Not too much or else you're going to have trouble getting your beanie on. Then you'll take your beanie, place it over the end, give it a little bit of wiggle. Make sure the wire goes all the way in. Once that's done, take your pliers and give it a crimp. And that's all there is to using beanies. This is Chris with Americam. Have a good day.